Hi guys. Alright, so we're starting something new. Today we're going to start learning how to type. I know, you're like, Miss Parker, we can just speak now and it will understand us. You're right, but in every instance, are you always going to be able to speak and use dictation? The answer to that is you need to learn how to type. So we're going to spend the next several weeks learning how to type. It is a skill that you need. It's a skill that will get you a job one day. This is the skill that you need. So we're going to use the website called typing.com, and I'm about to show you what that looks like up next. And yeah, so here we go. Let's learn how to type. Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to use typing.com. Buckle up, here we go. Alright, so you're going to use typing.com to learn to type. I've already created accounts for you, so all you have to do is go to typing.com and log in using the student login, which is up here in the top right corner. Now, your username should be, for the majority of you, your first name dot last name. That's what I plan to do. And your password should be your first initial, last initial, and your student ID number. Then you get logged in. So here's typing.com. Now what typing.com does is it teaches you how to type, and it allows me to see the progress that you're making. So you can see these are the assignments that you have. So assignment 1 is JF and the spacebar. Then UR keys, D, you can see, I'll scroll on down, but there are all, oh, look at that, W and X and beginner wrap up. And guess what? When we get done with beginner, we'll move on to intermediate and advanced, but that's to come. Basically, you're just going to go through and you're going to do the assignments that I give you each week. So we'll start with assignment 1 and I'll hit start. And there are brief videos that you can watch that explains that your hands go on the home keys. So as you're typing, it's not a matter of you just keep your hands up and you just kind of hunt and peck for what you're looking for. You put your hands on the home keys, which for your left hand, your pinky goes on the A, your ring finger goes on S, the middle finger goes on D as in dog, the pointer finger goes on F as in Frank, and your thumb goes on the space bar. So that's where you keep your fingers for your left hand. Now your right hand, your right pointer finger goes on the J, your middle finger on your right hand goes to K, your ring finger goes to L, and your pinky goes on the semicolon key, and your thumb goes on the space bar. Now you keep your hands just slightly lifted up off the keyboard so as not to accidentally press the wrong keys, and you type as the letters show up. Now you can watch that video too, but that's pretty much what you're learning. Alright, so here we go. We have our hands on the home keys. Notice that it tells me right here, type the J key. So with my hands on the home key, I'm going to press the J. Look at that, I found it. And it even says, remember where the J is because we're going to practice. Alright, so then it says press enter to begin. So on my keyboard, enter is on the right hand side of the keyboard. I'm going to press enter. And now notice it has me typing a J and then another J. And I keep typing J's because I'm trying to memorize where it's at. And look at that. I earned 3 out of 3 stars. Way to go, me. So my speed for this screen was 24 words a minute, and I was 100% accurate. All right, so you can see that my learning progress down here, I'm still on lesson 1 all the way out of 11. So I think I'm going to continue and move on. Now again with my hands on the home keys, we discussed earlier, and you can look at this picture here. I'm going to press the F, which is my left pointer finger, and I'm going to hit enter to start. Once again, I type F, F, and you can see it as I type the letter, it shows up here. That's blue, that means I need to type it. Now, J, F, 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 J, F, J, F, 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 J. Whew. I was slower that time. Look at that. I was only 13 words a minute, but you have to remember I stopped and talked to you about what the F and the J key was. And I just continue through. Notice that I've finished level 2 now, and I bet I'm going to go to level 3. So this time I'm going to type the letters as they fall. As you can see, the instructions come up on the screen telling you what to do. So I'm going to continue. And you can see the screen. The letters are popping up from the top. Sometimes, I did get it accurate. I was afraid I had started going too fast with my F and the J. So as you can see, I'm 34 words a minute with 100% accuracy, and I keep going and I continue on through the assignments. Now, as you proceed through this, I'll be able to look and see how accurate you are. And if you're not accurate, it actually won't let you advance to the next level. So for those of you who think you can just type gibberish, it is not going to work for you. So anyway, we're going to learn how to type, and we're going to use the website typing.com, and this is pretty much how it works. If you have a question, email me or send me a text.